Today we will talk about environmental pollution causing meaning in the province of the Oro. The problem of environmental pollution caused by the intentional release of mercury is not new. Due to the gold rush, many ecosystems begin to be contaminated since the time of the discovery of America. There is no possibility of thinking about quality of life and consequently economic development without the extensive use of mineral resources and therefore without meaning substantial development of the mining sector in a country. With responsible management will be the main to achieve an improvement both in the quantity of life and in the economy will weigh on society. However, there is another scenario in which the necessary measures are not taken to protect the environment, resulting in pollution and destruction. Open pit mining uses large amounts of energy intensively, which allows it to recover gold from the rest of removed material. This process requires constant deposition, covers large areas, and is close to the surface. In addition, large craters are done both in extension and depth. It is important to keep in mind that in order to achieve effective metal process, various chemicals such as mercury, cyanide, concentrated acids, and other modes be used, which alter and contaminate the hydrological cycle, affecting river and land ecosystems. Science and living beings depend on weather and require a vital minimum for their sustenance. The methods considered the most toxic and risky for the environment are cadmium, mercury, and lead, some of them coming from the mines. On the other hand, it is instead that the miner goes to the river to wash the gold found, and leaves residue of lead, mercury, manganese, and cyanide in the water, leaving incomplete, contaminated, and therefore is water unfit for human consumption. As for how open pit mining is carried out, mention must be made of the use of important mining machinery, excavators, conveyor belts, among many others, and powerful inputs that are compared on destroying wood areas of land. The ecological problem and the territorial destruction are the most recurrent affection both locally, nationally, and internationally. Some impacts suffered by the territories due to the exploration and exploitation where many companies do not live, and on the place where they are carried out free on ecological and social territorial damage. Modern mining use and pollutes enormous quantities of water. To produce 1 ton of pure copper, tens of thousands of liters of this vital resource are required daily. For example, the Mirador copper mining project in Zamora, Chinchipe, plans to use about 20 million liters per day, used to mine and concentrate the equivalent of 200 tons of copper, average 16,000 liters per day. Figures like this do not include the millions of gallons of water that have to be evacuated or diverted daily so that they do not flow the pit and assets the more the deeper the mine and the more rainfall the greater in the livelihood or encounter roadway. On the other hand, the contamination that has attacked the tribal areas has been developing in the province of Teoro. Due to the high levels of contamination in the water courses in the upper part of the Puyanco Tumbes Basin, Sharenby, Ecuador, and Peru, related to the development on a small scale and artisanal gold mining activities. He is estimated that, due to this, in legal terms, the people will have monopolies this type of industrial activities like mining titles or concessions granted by ARCO, which is the regulatory body in mining matters in a country to be able to carry out this type of action. Undoubtedly, one of the most frequent problems among the gold mining community is the lack of chronology and awareness on exposures to metal, particularly mercury, among the population. This process is linked to the absence of permanent monitoring, the lack of waste management practice, and the absence of well-defined national policies for the control of these substances. Ecuador has neglected its economic, social, and environmental areas in the area given, causing the lack of investment to cause losses and damage to the environment. Therefore, it is inadvisable to work on public policies that allow us to take advantage of natural resources without affecting nature. If we continue in this way, it will be impossible to reduce the environmental impact that pollution and resources extraction is causing, which besides being detrimental to the Pachamama, is vital for the existence of every human being. This does not mean that we must put an end to this industrial activity because it is vital for the country development of the country. Saying do not is responsible, meaning is a community of all of us.